Hi. Okay, so my third tool that I chose to discuss and present is Mote. I have it pulled up here. You can pull it up in your browser and use it to record messages for your students. I always put them into their Google Classroom assignments because I used it a lot during COVID times. I felt like when I wasn't seeing them and I only had 3 15-minute Zooms a day, I felt so disconnected from them and that it was hard to give them encouragement or notes because it just having your typing words, it just didn't come across right, especially for essays. I really wish I could just let them hear my actual voice in my notes. So that's when this was really helpful. So there's two ways you can do it. You can pull up the browser and record yourself and allow and record your sound, and I'm talking and it's getting what I'm saying. And then you can take this, it's also creating a transcript, which is really nice, and you can share with the share button the link. So you can copy the link and place it in their Google Classroom, email, assignment, however you communicate with your students. Or, for example, here I have my Google Classroom that I use with my students, and I can go into their actual assignment and click this little Mote button in the bottom. That is going to allow me to record my voice automatically into Google Classroom, have them get my feedback, complete it, and then they can click to hear it, and then I send it off. So it's just such a really great way to communicate with your students. I love it a lot for essays when you have a lot of notes that you want to share with them. It's just really helpful. I like it a lot. As for the ISTE standards, 3.5.D, develop the skills needed to lead and navigate change, advance systems, and promote a mindset of continuous improvement for how technology can improve learning. It's just, I felt like 30 seconds of my voice was so much more beneficial than me typing out a whole paragraph. And it really improved their learning for what they needed to correct on their essays or their assignments, and it just felt like we were more connected in the educational setting when we weren't seeing each other. And my second one was 2.6.D, model and nurture creativity and creative expression to communicate ideas, knowledge, or connections. I used it a lot for positive feedback, and I don't know, I just like it. Oftentimes I think text or words that we type out can come across maybe more harsh or like a little sassy even when it wasn't intended. And so just hearing voice is very beneficial to hear that inflection. So Mote, you should try it. It's great.